So welcome to all of you in video based IT training. In this video, I'm going to explain about DHCP relay agent, or you can say IP helper address configuration. So what does this mean? Let's come back to the same topology. In my previous videos, I have configured this router as a DHCP server to assign the IP to all different VLANs. Here also 10 VLAN, 20 VLAN, and single router is doing all the IP assignment to the different VLAN. But in real scenario, sometimes what happens? This router is possible if it is connected to some outside world. Then this router is responsible for routing also and many other jobs also. So it becomes overloaded, and if you have very big network, thousands of machines connected here, so it becomes very difficult for the router to keep assigning the IP to all the machines. So in that case, what we can do, we can put another server here and can configure as a DHCP server. That can be the Microsoft based server, that can be the Linux based server to assign the IP. So actually, as we have configured the VLAN here, and as I have created a server VLAN separate where we put all the servers. So I'm going to put one more server here and going to configure it as a DHCP server. Okay, let's do that. First I put one server. Just connect it. I'm going to connect it in the same VLAN 30. The last video I have told you now that I have created one separate VLAN 30 for the server. So I'm going to put that here and going to configure it. Very first what I do, I will remove the DHCP configuration from this router. So no DHCP, sorry, no IP DHCP. I'm going to remove the pool. One is the market pool, one is the sales pool. So I have removed all the DHCP configuration from the router. Now no DHCP. Okay, just remove this also. No IP DHCP, exclude. Address. Oh sorry, configuration mode. No IP DHCP, exclude address. One is the 10.0.0.1 to 10.0.0.10, and one is the 20. Okay, now IP configuration has been gone. Sure enough. No. And 20. Sure, run. So I have removed all the DHCP configuration from the router. Now you can see no machine is able to take the IP from any DHCP because there is no DHCP configured till yet. Failed. Now what I do, just bring, naturally I have told you server should always be with the static configuration. So I'm using 30 IP series, so 30.0.0.3 and 30.0.0.1 is the default gateway that I have configured on the virtual interface of this router. So IP configuration has been done. Now I'm going to enable the DHCP service here. So one is the 10 IP series, default gateway is working as one. Just demonstrate whatever IP I want to configure here, I've done it. second pool is 20 IP series for the sales VLAN. These all IPs, default gateway IP I have configured on the router interface. Okay, so just also I want to start IP from 100. Third pool is for the 30 VLAN. No need to do that because I'm going to put all the server there. So naturally, okay, just I have done that. So now I have configured DHCP server. Here is the packet tracer, but in the real scenario that can be the Microsoft based server, that can be the Linux based server. So I have configured the IP. You can see here I have configured all the 3 IP series. 10 with default gateway, starting IP series 30, 10, 100, 20, 100. Can this machine will be able to take the IP now? Right? No. We have the IP series, VLAN is working properly, but still the machine is not able to take the IP. Why? Because these all are the different. I need to configure this on the first Ethernet 0/6. Configure it on the VLAN 3. Fast Ethernet 0/6. Switch port access VLAN 30. Okay, now done it. I think it should work now. So these all are the different VLANs. Sure VLAN. Oh sorry, no VLAN here. That is on the switch. Sure VLAN. So marketing, sales and server. So but still no machine is able to take the IP from the DHCP server even it is working properly. Wait. Fail. Why this is happening? If you remember, in my previous video I have told you router never forward the broadcast packet from one interface to another interface, and DHCP service completely work on broadcasting. So either it's looking physical, but every interface is every VLAN is connected via separate VLAN, so separate virtual interface. So you can see here all are the different virtual interface. So router never forward broadcast packet from one interface to another interface. For that purpose we have to configure the IP helper address, or also known as the relay agent, which allow to forward the DHCP broadcast packet from one interface to another interface. Got it? Configure terminal. Now on each virtual interface, this virtual interface and this virtual interface, I have to tell that which one is the DHCP server where we have to forward this broadcast packet. For that purpose, interface fast Ethernet 0/0.10. Command is IP helper address. Which one is the address? What is the address of this machine? 30.0.0.3. Okay. So that is the IP helper address 30.0.0.3. Same thing I have to repeat for the second interface, because these machines require the IP from the DHCP server. So on the both interface I have to do the same configuration. Fast Ethernet 0/0.20 and IP helper address is the same because single machine is working as a DHCP server. Done. So this is the IP helper address, or also known as the relay agent, which forward the broadcast package. Check it. Now it is able to take. Yes, it has taken, because I have excluded the IP of, and check second VLAN. This is the second VLAN. Yes, it takes the 20 IP. So this IP helper address helps us to forward the broadcast package of DHCP into the another network and allow the broadcast package to be passed to the another interface of the router. Look here, sorry. Tick 103, because on this route server I have exclude the IP, right? In the Cisco router, what we do, we run the command exclude, but here we have to can do the graphically. You can see here start IP address is 100, 100 and 100. So this server start assigning the IP like 20. Check it again. Yes, it is assigning the IP after the 100. Okay. So in this video I have explained you about the same with a single router. In my next video I will show you this via connecting some more routers and server. Just show. In my next video I will explain how, suppose this machine is connected via WAN interface connected to the another router. Okay, then here is some server is connected, how we can do the configuration of that. Means we do the routing also in my next practical. Try to explain all the concept that we have to done till yet, even try to implement the access list also. Means a complete practical scenario in next video I'm going to explain to you. So hope this video is informative for you. If you still have any doubt, please write me in the comments. Thank you very much.